Hey YouTube, working today on the '06 Dodge Ram. I'm starting to put this rough country lift in. I'm only going to do the back today, so I've got one side done. Wasn't too bad to install. I don't know how well you guys can see the spacer in there and the one shock on. Everything's tightened up on this side. Go around here to the other side. The one thing I did run into trying to do this in my driveway, I really didn't want to do it in my driveway, but didn't have a whole lot of options. But the one thing I did run into, a little bit of a problem, is whenever I started loosening all this up and trying to get the original spacer out of here and getting this axle drop down low enough, you guys can see not a lot of ground clearance. And that's with the jack stands that I have all the way up. So anybody going into this, if you've got, I think these are like the 3,000 or 3 ton or something like that, they're just smaller jack stands. If you have the option to get the taller, bigger ones, use them. They will give you the clearance. What I'm having to do is actually drop everything and then put my jack underneath the leaf spring over here and kind of raise up on it, get the spacer put in place, and then put it all back together. But for the most part, it's not going too bad. Once you kind of figure out where everything goes and you get, I mean, the hardest part is getting everything broke loose. And again, once you kind of get a hang of how to move everything around to make it work, it's going pretty quick. It's not, the back's really honestly not too bad, but there is quite a significant difference in height. Probably a good 2, maybe 3 inches. This is the 5-inch kit, but whenever I put this side on, I mean, I don't know, it's kind of hard to show this. Once I get the other side, I'll leave that jack stand where it's at now. Basically where that jack stand is sitting at now, I had to raise the truck up to get it to that point. But once I got the lift and everything put on this side and let everything back down, there's a good 2 inches, maybe more, clearance between the frame and that jack stand. So I'll kind of show that once I get the other side finished up. Again, I was going to come do a video going through the steps, but doing this by yourself, to be honest with you guys, it's kind of a pain to video it and take everything apart. Again, I'm just trying to get it done, and I don't have a whole lot of time. So but again, I'll cut back here in a minute when I get the other side done. I just thought I'd kind of show what it looks like after and kind of what's there before. So all right guys, it's going to show, got the other side all put on here. One thing I had to do on both sides, I had to actually cut these U-bolts off. They were way too long, way too much sticking through to even get an impact socket on. So I cut, well, a good probably inch off of all of them to make this work. I'll give you guys kind of a visual there. That's, again, I lifted the truck up to get the jack stand underneath it. So I mean, that gives you a pretty good idea. It's quite a bit taller in the back here. Up to me, I mean, I don't know, it's up to my chin. I'm 5'11", 5'10", right in there, so quite a bit taller. Let me step back here. You guys can kind of see. So quite a bit of difference. Before, I felt like the back of the truck actually set a little lower than the front of the truck. So that's a significant difference in my opinion. Yeah, I like it. Definitely probably have to go with a little bigger tires. It makes those 33s 20-inch wheels look pretty small now. So again guys, I don't believe I'm going to attempt the front here in my driveway. I might, if I get some better jack stands, something a little taller that, you know, I feel a little more comfortable lifting the truck up and sticking those on it to take the weight off the front. But the ones I have right now, I mean, you guys can tell, hell, that's on the highest setting and it's not even close to working for the back now. So may try to get some taller jack stands, pick those up, and if so, I may give this a shot. If I can get somebody to come help me out, I may do this in my drive. Again, it's just doing it by yourself, it's kind of a little bit difficult. Trying to get everything, but the back really didn't go that bad. Again, I'm not sure how long I've been out here. I really hadn't paid attention, but a couple hours, maybe. So really not that bad. So again, I'm happy with it. Everything went right in place, bolted in just like it was supposed to. So no complaints at all from the kit. Everything lined up nicely. Again, the only thing, like I said, that I had to do that I wasn't expecting, which again wasn't that big a deal, was cut these U-bolts down just a little bit. So yeah, if you guys didn't have any questions, again, I wanted to kind of do a video of me doing this, but it's just, man, it's too difficult trying to put all this crap in and by yourself and videoing it. So if anybody has any questions, I'll definitely try to help you guys out. Again, love you guys hit that subscribe button, like button, share my content. Yeah, thanks again for watching.